Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding USDT and want to move it to another wallet or exchange, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, let's get you set up quickly. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account. If you don't, head over to the Coinbase website or app and sign up. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Look for the Assets or Portfolio section. That's where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Now, find USDT in your assets. Click on it to open the details page. Here, you'll spot a Withdraw button. Go ahead and click that. Coinbase might ask you to verify your identity or enable two-factor authentication for security, so double-check that everything is set up. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This includes the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Remember, USDT is typically on the Ethereum blockchain or Tron, so ensure the address you're using supports that. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After entering the amount you want to withdraw, review the transaction fees. Coinbase charges a small network fee, which can vary based on the blockchain you're using. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm and follow any on-screen prompts, like entering a code from your Authenticator app. And just like that, your USDT is on its way. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. In 2025, Coinbase has made this even smoother with updated interfaces, so keep an eye on your transaction status. Before you go, a quick tip. Always withdraw to a wallet you control, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, consider testing with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.